There it is. Let's see what's in this box here. Whoops. Detailed instructions for attaching it. And, oops, that fell over. Biggie. Plate. Bolt. Simple bolt to take out right here. Just this. That's it. This comes off. Part comes off, super simple. All right, now I'm gonna put it like that. Yep, goes up like this way. And then, oh, that is slick. I'm going to go ahead and install my bolt back in. Here's the back angle. Three-quarter inch, by the way. Tighten this guy down. Go a little tighter. There, that's snug. That's a nylon nut. Okay, so slide it on like so. I use it as a pivot point. And then bang my thing right here. Kind of line it up. There we go. You gotta get it turned right. Now, cotter pin, voila. Now we're in business. Okay, first time, here we go. Trying to figure out feet placement. I'm gonna turn this up and then trying to get a feel for the foot placement that I like the best. Oh yeah. Good stretch all the way down. Down. Feels great. And we're using the Spud Inc. belt squat that I got a smoking deal on Facebook Marketplace. Very happy about that. Wow, this feels great.